really excited about this MOU to bring, the most regulated digital dollar in the world to Pakistan and its people. We think it's going to, be remarkable, and we're really excited to do business here.
It's all about the new economy, and we started this journey almost this time last year when we formed the Crypto Council. Bilal took the leadership on that, and then we graduated fairly quickly, having learned from the White House. We are very grateful to all the support that we got from the US under President Trump. The legislation which was going on there, whether it was the Clarity Act or the Genius Act, etc., it allowed us to really figure out our own legislation here. And then with PVARA, under, again now Bilal is the chairman of that, the first NOCs have been given. With Binance, we have the first MOU also in December with respect to the tokenization discussion. And now with this MOU, we, from our perspective, we just take it to the next level. And what we agreed with the Prime Minister and the Field Marshal and the fantastic team here, that we are going to really fast track it because it allows us, while we deal with our issues on ground in terms of how we grow from stabilization to growth, this allows us to really leapfrog in terms of new economy. So it's hugely exciting, and we, with Zachary and team, and it'll be a fantastic journey, and we're very committed to really get it going.
And what role does regulation play now that we've learned that there's already 20 million people in Pakistan using crypto? So how does this add a layer of protection for those people? Yeah,
so the reality is, even I'm surprised at the speed with which things are moving in Pakistan, right? So when we started first tracking it, we were number 10 in terms of our netizens who are involved in the activity. We moved to number 7. Now we're number 3. So it's not really 20 million. The latest understanding I have is about 40 million. Right, it's about 1/6 of our population. And the biggest thing is the youth, right? I mean, it's just amazing, what is happening and the speed with which things are going on. And, I just want to put it in a slightly different context as well. I mean, AI and Web3 and then the blockchain, all our freelancers, we have the 3rd largest freelancer population in the world. And if they're coding at 12 to 14, and when we work with Binance folks, etc., if we can upskill, reskill them, they can start coding at $50, $60 to about $240. Fantastic for them and great for the country. So, as a finance minister, all I can say is I can't hide my excitement to be on this journey.
And Bilal, would you also like to offer a few words in terms of, there's still a lot of people all around the world, but even in Pakistan, who are skeptical of crypto, and they say it's volatile and whatnot. So how does this give them guarantee that the government has their back, basically?
Exactly. I would like to thank the finance minister and again welcome you guys. You see, any emerging technology has its own sort of issues, or people like to perceive it in a different manner. But what we are doing here is we are not essentially promoting; we are regulating the adoption which has already existed without any classroom, without any framework. Pakistan has ended being the 3rd biggest market when it comes to crypto adoption. And in terms of the regulations, at the start of the year, as the Honorable Finance Minister said, we kicked things off, but now we've essentially put Pakistan on the map. And this, the trip with World Liberty Financial and the MOU is a testament to how Pakistan is creating an enabling environment and providing the opportunity to serious players in the industry to come and do things in a risk mitigated manner for the youth of this country.
I just love the speed at which you guys, from our last visit to now, it's just a testament to just your guys' ingenuity and fortitude to go forward on this and look at your people as this is the best for them, and constantly putting them first. We see a lot of bureaucracies around the world forget about that, and they're always put last. So watching them get put first is a beautiful thing, and we hope to usher in a whole new arena with you guys and expand the amazing asset that this country already has.
This is being done at the crypto speed.
Yeah, this absolutely is, the fastest yet.
And Pakistan already has a very youthful population that is used to the digital economy. What we're doing here is bringing it under a regulated framework that at the end is beneficial for the Pakistani people at large.
We are just so excited to be here and to be working with this administration that has done a phenomenal job. The leadership here is great. They move very quickly, and they're doing it very thoughtfully in a very smart, regulated manner. Pakistan has been leading the way. They've been right neck and neck with the US in terms of adoption, and Pakistan is actually one of the largest users of digital currencies today. Pakistan has always been at the forefront. Now it's just time to bring it into a regulated ecosystem where essentially it's regulated and it's adopted for mainstream use. There's $20 to $25 billion of digital assets held by Pakistani residents that currently exist outside of the system. These funds are unregulated, they're untaxed, and the people of Pakistan don't have the ability to actually bring it into their bank account and spend it through the traditional means, which forces them to go to black and gray market vendors where they're paying way too much for being able to convert it to local currency, and it creates this network of distrust. So instead, by bringing USD1 here and integrating our foreign exchange model, it allows Pakistan to be able to regulate all of this transactions that are happening to the tune of billions every year, and it also allows it to be taxed with a very strong compliance and AML screening policy.
And if you were to put it simply for a common Pakistani, how would they benefit from this?
So right now, if Pakistanis want access to US dollars, if they want to send money to friends and family around the world, they're forced to pay way too much money, and all of that money is going into the hands of gray and black market brokers who are essentially overcharging them for access to the US dollar. By bringing USD1 here in collaboration with Pakistan, it gives them access to be able to send money to friends and family around the world, as well as receive money from friends and family all around the world, and convert it into Pakistani rupees at a fraction of what they're paying right now. So they'll be able to do it right within a mobile app or with their direct connection to their bank account, and they'll be saving a ton of money while doing it. So once there's more access to digital dollars here, and the flow between Pakistan and the rest of the world eases up under a regulated framework, we're going to see a lot of people who have been hesitant to invest in Pakistan want to come in here and be able to invest as well. So it should bring in a lot of foreign investment as well, in our opinion.
इस MOU के साथ पाकिस्तान एक नए मुआशी दौर में दाखिल हो रहा है। के मुताबिक पाकिस्तानी